What's up, guys? In this episode, I'm going to show you what to do if you find out that your camera is shaking. What do I mean by that? Let's go to the camera right here. Okay, if you find out that you click on your camera and it starts to shake like this, that means that your camera has been damaged and needs to be replaced. So yeah, basically, if you find out that your camera is shaking like that, there's not much you can do in settings wise. So you actually need to take it to a repair shop so they can have that fixed for you. I'm not sure if you can actually fix the camera, or perhaps you may need to actually change the entire component. But all in all, you do need it to take it to a repair shop. So I hope that was helpful, guys. Please like and subscribe so I can give you guys more tips. Cheers.